Have you ever wondered how a machine that only speaks in ones and zeros can read a prompt and actually know what you're talking about? It is easy to assume there's a giant dictionary hidden away inside its memory, letting it look up definitions word by word. Early machines treated words as isolated numerical codes, with no connection to the actual concepts they described. Because of this, the code representing dog and the code representing puppy appeared entirely different to the system. The machine saw no connection between them. To the hardware, dog and puppy had as little in common as dog and refrigerator. This inability to see connections held computers back for decades. To solve it, engineers had to stop treating words like dictionary entries and start treating them like social groups. Let's play a quick game. Read this sentence and fill in the blank. This morning, I walked the blank in the park. You probably thought of a dog or maybe a puppy. You definitely didn't think of a refrigerator. The words walked and park create a pattern that determines what fits in that empty space. Words are defined by the company they keep. If two different words frequently hang out with the exact same group of neighbors, they share a very similar meaning. This focus on word-neighbor patterns finally taught machines to prioritize context over isolated codes. To learn these connections, an AI reads through billions of web pages, tallying up which words hang out together. It notices that the word car shows up constantly alongside drive, road, and wheels. Then it sees the word auto surrounded by that exact same group of friends. The system builds a massive imaginary map. It plots every word as a point, pulling words with shared friends closer together. Motorcycle ends up in that same neighborhood, while apple and banana form a totally different neighborhood far across the map. By tracking these social circles, the AI groups vehicles together and fruits together, without anyone ever giving it a definition for either category. This chart shows how a computer clusters word friendships. Here, sweet is surrounded by neighbors like candy, honey, and juice. This vast map is known as an embedding. Within this space, physical distance equals meaning. Closer words have stronger relationships. A modern AI processes language without ever feeling a human emotion or picturing a physical object. The system navigates this vast map of relationships, calculating the mathematical distances between our concepts. There is no magic inside the machine. It is simply reading the ultimate social network of language that we built over thousands of years. Because this map is constructed entirely out of numbers and geometry, you can perform math equations using words. This chart shows the geometric relationships between words. Take the coordinates for king, subtract the path for man, and add the path for woman. You land exactly on queen. The geometry itself contains the concept of gender dynamics. Exactly how AI takes this word math and uses it to write poetry, generate code, and hold conversations, well, that is a story for another day.